My name is Sachin Chavhan, and in this video you are going to see the problems related to the operating systems. Okay friends, here we are going to solve the problem with LRU. Problem remains same which we have seen in first in first out strategy. So if you haven't seen that video, I am giving link in my description box, you can see that. Next page replacement algorithm is least recently used page replacement algorithm. The strategy which we have used in first in first out, that is the boxes which we have given for the page faults, and we are counting those boxes for the page faults. We have made stars for page hits. We are going to do the same in here also, but there is a little change. When we got page hits in first out algorithm, we have skipped that particular column and moving on to the next one. Here for the page hits, we are going to make a circle because this is least recently used algorithm, and we don't want to use another page frame for the same page request. Okay, so for the first, there are pages or the page, or what we say that page frames are empty. This is your string given to you, and now we are going to add these strings into your frames. There is frame size is 3. You can change as the frame size given in your question. If for the 4, there it may be the 4, for the 5 it may be 5, but here I am giving the example for the 3 one. Okay, so initially the page frame is blank, so we are going to put the 7 here, becomes a page fault. Next one is 0. We are going to write 0 into the next frame, that becomes again a page fault. Next one is 1, so this becomes like this. Now you have seen this, that in first out algorithm, initially the 3 frames are a page fault. Here also the 3 frames are a page fault. So whatever the page frame size is given and what is the string is given, according to that we are going to find out the page faults. But normally the frames, number of frame becomes your page faults for the first strings. Okay, so now the next one is 2. We are going to add 2 in a frames. So what we need to see, we need to check from this end to the backwards that the frame which is longestly used, that one is, this one is recently used, 0 behind 1, and 7 is the last one. So we are going to change that 7, we are going to change that 7 with this 2. Okay, so this 2 and others are same. The newly added is become your page fault. Okay, now the 0 is given, so check out, is that 0 is present in your frames? Yeah, 0 is present in our frame, so we need to write it as it is. Okay, but what I have already said that in LRU we are going to use this box strategy with a different approach. So whenever there becomes a page hit, that we can denote it by like this star, but we need to put a circle around it, so that we have known that this page is recently used. Okay, and that is our algorithm. So we have made it a 0. Now when 3 is there, from this position backward, check out the boxes with circles also. Here the circle is made, that means this page is recently used by the operating system and we cannot change it with the least recently used algorithm. So from this position backwards, check out the boxes or the circles. There 0 is there, 2 is there, and 1 is the last one which we have used. So we have to change this 1 with a newly added 3. So we are going to change this one with newly added 3, and remaining becomes same. Okay, got it? Next one again 0 comes into picture. We have already 0 in our frame, so we need to make it a circle around 0 as it is. What it is? It's a page hit. Okay, and least recently used algorithm, again 0 we have recently used, that's why we cannot change the newly added page with 0 because it's a recently used page. Next one is 4. What we need to do? Add the 4 here. How to add? Check out the boxes from this position. What is that? 0 is used, 3 is used, again 0 was used, and last one is 2 was used. Okay, so we need to, what we need to change, or which frame we need to change? This one, that is 2. So we are going to change this 4 with 2. Sorry, this becomes your 4. Okay, what we change here? 4 with what? With 2, and remaining becomes same. Now next one is 2 comes into picture. Check out from this position backwards. 4 is recently used, 0 was recently used before 4, and third one was the last one, where we are going to change this 3 with 2, make it a box as a representation of page fault, and remainings are same. Now comes into picture 3, which we need to change from this position backward. Check out 2, 4, 0 was lastly used, so we are going to change this 0 with 3. Okay, now next one is 0. Again check out the page frames from this position backwards. What it is? 3, 2 and 4. So which page we need to change? That is 4. Okay, now what comes into picture? 3 comes into picture. Check out the frames for the 3. Is it available? Yeah, that is available. So it remains same, but by the policy of least recently used, or which strategy we are going to use? For the recently used page, or for the page hits, we are going to make it a circle, and this star represents page hit. Next one comes 2. Check out the pages. Yeah, there is 2. So that is again becomes a page hit and becomes star. Now check out, next one comes into picture, that is 1. Is 1 available in your frames? No, 1 is not available. So check out where we are going to add it. 2, 3, 0, 0 was lastly used, so change 0 with 1. This becomes 3, this becomes 2. Next one is 2. 2 is available here. Yes, 2 is available here. So 2, 3, 1, 2, page hit becomes a circle. 0, check out. 2, 1, 2, 3. Which one is lastly used? 3 was lastly used. So change this 3 with 0. It's your page fault, and remaining becomes same. Okay, now 1. Check out, 1 is available in your frames. Yes, 1 is available in your frame, so it becomes your page hit. For the page hit, we are going to make it a circle. The remaining is same, and yes, that is a page hit, so we are going to make it a star. Next one, 7 comes into picture. Check out where we can put it from this side to the backwards. 1 is available, 0, and last one is 2. So which we need to change? This 2, because it's a lastly used frame. Okay, so this becomes our page fault. Now count our total number of page faults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this 12. And number of page hits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one becomes 6. Total is 18. So number of strings given to us is also 18, and number of page hits and page faults is also 18. So our answer is right. Thank you for your support. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, and tell others to do so. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you a lot.